Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. I am actually reviewing, yes, brand new at Target. This is the Profusion Highlight and Contour. So if you guys don't know, one of my holy grails, I can't even tell you for how many years, has been this. It is the same thing, but they came out with a new one, new packaging, different colors. Okay, so this is actually like my second or third palette that I've gone through because of this banana color right here. This banana color is what I set my under eye area in. You guys can see it's light. It just brightens everything up. I've hit pan, I don't know, like, look at this. It's ridiculous how many times I've hit pan. But anyways, so I got this new one. I think it was like $5 or $7, something like that at Target. And I wanted to swatch them and show you whether this is worth your money or not. I don't like when a company changes something that works for so long, that works for everybody that I love, but they changed it. And is it better or is it worse? I don't know. Let's go ahead and just jump to that video right now. And I'll tell you guys at the end of the video whether this is worth your money or not. Okay guys, so let's just compare the colors. This is the banana that I set my under eye with. This is the banana in the old palette. This is the banana in the new palette. So it looks like a very similar color, yes, but just looking at it, it looks like they almost milled or made the powder in the new palette a little bit more fine, because the one in the old palette looks a little chalky and the one in the new palette looks a little bit smooth. That is them back to back. So thank God that's not a huge difference. I already set the under eye area a little bit with the cream light. Kind of glide my brush into it and kind of do this to make everything a little bit brighter. Down the center of my nose and my forehead, and then my chin right here, right there. That's how I normally put that on. So let's go ahead and go with the light sculpt, which I'm going to swatch this. That is extremely light. I swatched it right here. You guys can see an extremely light contour. But personally, I love an extremely light contour. So let's go ahead and go with this color. I got this just a regular eyeshadow brush. Tap it in there. Wipe it off. Now you guys can see why I like a very, very light contour. You see that line? Very beautiful color. But I honestly have to say, I think that if you're darker than I am, it's really not going to show up. Let's go in with the Tan Sculpt right here. Swatch. Ooh, that's a pretty color. Ooh, ooh, ooh. So you can see the hollows right here. Let's go ahead and go see if we like this. Wow, that's nice. That's dark. I'm barely pushing with this brush. I'm gonna wipe off all the excess and kind of blend this one out. Now I love to be chiseled with a very dark color, but then I put a medium color right above that. So I'm gonna go back in with the light sculpt, clean off my brush, and I'm gonna go right on top of that. Just like that. Now I take the very dark sculpting color, the tan, and I do it under my neck, and then on the sides right here. Because this is the hollows of people that are really skinny. Now we're gonna go with the dark, and we're gonna do the same thing, but I don't push it onto the forehead. I kind of push it like into the hairline on the edge of the forehead, like that. This is the dark Tan Sculpt. And it also can make you look like you have fuller hair. Let's go ahead and swipe now the highlighters on top, which is, the first one is Impulse. The second one is Heartfelt. And the third one is Hype. Oh, on camera they all look gold. But the Hype is very gold. The Heartfelt has more of a white, and the Impulse is like more of a cream gold. This is a way that you can pick out which highlighter you're supposed to wear. You swipe it and then you put it against your eyes like this. So this was the Impulse, and then this is the Hype. I think I'm going to use the Hype, which is the darker highlighter in the palette. First, let me pop on some blush really quick. just to give me a little bit more color because I can look a little bit washed out. Now, clean highlighter brush. And let's see, does this really show up and how does it look? This is the color Hype. Ooh, I like that. Oh, that's pretty. It's very like wet looking, which I love. And then I bring it up in here. That is beautiful, guys. And I'm very heavy-handed with my highlighter, as you can see. Now I'm going to take some and go just right there. Wow. Freaking gorgeous. So guys, I honestly think they did it again. Like, come on. I think it was $5 or $6. Look at the highlighter. Wow. Look at the contour. I think this is so worth your money. So cheap and such good quality. You cannot beat this. I will try to find a link to it. I got this at Target, once again. It was just a few dollars. Absolutely amazing and like mind-blowing, beautiful colors. This is going to be one of my favorites, as their old contour palette was. This is my second one, and I think I already hit pan on this one. Yep, I hit pan on that, and I'm almost out of some of those colors, so I am replacing it with the brand new one, which you should replace your makeup every so often because you do not want it to expire. You do not want to be putting expired makeup on your face, but absolutely gorgeous. I hope you guys enjoyed this review, and if you did, please hit that thumbs up button, little subscribe button, and the tiny little bell next to it for notifications of new videos. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.